Hello, in this video we intend to withdraw an amount from our FX and Pen account. We're going to withdraw it using the wallet method. We log into the account, select the withdrawal option, and in this section, we choose the wallet option. Here, you specify from which account you want to make the withdrawal. You enter the wallet account.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
You select the currency you want to withdraw. In our case, we chose dollars. Also, the amount we want to withdraw is such that we only pay a fee of 0.14 cents. Once we've entered all the information completely, we select the Continue option. To finalize the withdrawal request, we select the Confirm option. The withdrawal method via wallet has lower fees and is more cost-effective compared to other withdrawal methods. After reviewing the items, we select the Confirm option. To complete the withdrawal process, in the Authenticator factor, we need to enter it. We enter the code from the Authenticator app related to the FXOpen broker. The withdrawal request is under review. Now we select Go to Main Account. In this section, we can see that the withdrawal we made is currently in pending status, and once it is officially reviewed and approved by the broker, its current status will automatically change from pending to successfully succeeded. Once you have waited for just a few short minutes, the transaction will be fully processed and completed with total success, and you will see the deposited funds appear directly in your wallet account. In our upcoming series of educational videos, we will be with you once again to discuss other deposit and withdrawal methods available in the FXOpen broker. Wishing you success.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.